everyone, happy Monday. I hope your week is off to a wonderful start. Today I am so excited about this video. I'm like a kid on Christmas morning that cannot handle its excitement and is just jumping off the wall. It's insane. It took everything I had not to upload this video last night. But I wanted to create some fun, unique, different DIY fall decor items. I wanted them to be modern and trendy and things that I would love to display in my home, but in hopes that you guys would like to recreate these and display them in your homes as well. I thought about different stores that were close to me that might be accessible to a lot of you, not just a small amount. So I chose Ikea, and I know that there have been a lot of DIY decor ideas from Ikea, but I didn't see fall inspired ones. So I thought I'm going to step out and see what I can find. I found some wonderful things. I think a lot of the things that I did find would look great in a little farmhouse style home as well. So you could definitely transform these not only just for fall, but for your farmhouse style house as well. So I hope you guys are excited to see these fun ideas. So let's jump into the video. For this first project, you are going to need a cheap little chopping block from Ikea. This one is real wood. I believe it is the cheapest and the smallest. It is $4.99, but you could choose whatever size you wanted, and it's the same on both sides. I'm removing the plastic from it, and the next thing you are going to need is something to decorate this cute little block. I made my little vinyl sticker on my silhouette. You could use a Cricut if you have one of those. You could even find cute stickers at your local craft store. You could find something similar to mine on Etsy. You could use Mod Podge like a cute paper or recipe or even fabric. It's totally up to you, or you could hand draw or paint onto this. I removed the paper backing from my sticker and used the transfer tape to place it onto my chopping block. I'm pushing the design into the wood really hard so that it locks it in place. You can see sometimes the little design pops up, but I just push it back down to make sure that it is secure and staying in place. I think that's the biggest piece of this whole puzzle with this little design. Some pieces are intricate. It is super cute as a decor piece. You could put it in your kitchen, on your tablescape, or part of your fall decor. It's totally up to you. I didn't spray it with a finishing spray. I didn't think it needed it, but if you painted or something like that, you might need to do that, and that's the finished project. For this next project, you are going to need a candle. This little candle, I believe, was $1.99. It's a peach and orange scent, it says, but it doesn't say the exact name, but it smells like a haichu. If you've ever tasted those, it smells exactly like a peach haichu. I'm removing the sticker on the front, and I cut this little thing on my silhouette. I'm sure you could find something similar on Etsy or use a cute little sticker from the craft store. It's totally up to you. But I'm just peeling the paper back from the transfer tape, and once that is all done, I'm going to center it onto the candle and push that little sticker really well. I love how this adds to this little candle. It is perfect for fall. You could use this as a beautiful gift, and it makes it look more elegant and more expensive than what you actually paid. It's quite crazy how you can transform simple IKEA products and make them look so much more expensive. Right now I am pulling off the transfer tape, and you can see this little design. I love how it turned out. It's as simple as that, and there you go, the cutest little candle for fall. For this last DIY, what you are going to need is a little tin bucket from Ikea. People usually put their fake plants in them to make it look a little bit nicer, but these are super inexpensive and they look really great when they're finished. I am using a sticker I made on my silhouette, but you can find something similar on Etsy, I'm sure. Cute little stickers from your local hobby store or craft store. You could even use one of those cheap little window clings from the Dollar Tree, Walmart, or sometimes even your local grocery store carries stuff like that. You could even use a magic marker and draw on this. It would look great either way you decide to do it. I did take the backing off the tape, and you can see some of the pieces were left behind. I'm not going to panic because I will place those by hand later. I'm pushing this design onto this little bucket really well because these little pieces don't always like to stick.
These projects, I believe, turned out so good. I think these would be cute in a little farmhouse. You could use these for fall decor. You could transform them from season to season. I mean, you could do so much with these little pieces. If I tallied it up correctly, you would spend no more than $10 for all of the little supplies you see in this video. Super inexpensive, they would make great gifts, and truly they do not look handmade. In this little clip, you can see I am just putting the last little pieces by hand onto my little bucket. It would have been easier to use a pin, but I didn't have a pin by me, and I wanted to show you could do it really quick. And that's the end result. Leave me a comment down below telling me which one of these was your favorite. If you would like to see more DIY IKEA hack videos, let me know by giving this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Bye guys!